Here at Healing Journey, we're always ready to answer your questions. Now let's explore the most frequently asked questions about hair transplant and restoration and their answers. No, the FUT technique has become outdated and is no longer widely used in hair transplantation. The newer and more advanced FUE, Follicular Unit Extraction technique, has become the preferred method due to its minimally invasive nature and superior results. At Healing Journey, we use the most advanced and innovative techniques to ensure optimal results for our patients. The procedure typically takes between 4 and 8 hours, depending on the number of grafts and the technique used. Results become noticeable around between 3 and 4 months post-surgery, with full growth usually seen after between 12 and 18 months. Success rates vary, but a well-performed hair transplant can have a success rate of between 90 and 95%. Most patients can resume normal activities within a few days, but strenuous activities should be avoided for at least between 2 and 3 weeks. Hair transplants are considered permanent, as the transplanted hair is genetically resistant to balding. Risks include infection, scarring, poor graft survival, and unsatisfactory results. Yes, hair transplants can be performed on both men and women experiencing hair loss. In Turkey, hair transplant costs typically range from $1,500 to $4,000 depending on the technique and number of grafts. Hair transplants can sometimes be combined with other hair restoration treatments, like PRP therapy or low-level laser therapy, depending on the patient's needs and the surgeon's recommendations. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Healing Journey. We're here to support you every step of the way.